this drawing.
Why? Didn't it for your school? I'll help you draw a face. Try drawing this.
Wait, you're so fast.
Okay. Like this. First draw a line here. Then draw a line here. Make sure to curve this part. That's nice. You can draw a random line like this. Now draw the nose.
Wait,
Now draw the mouth. Now look at this. Well, Sage, we're still not done. We have to draw the ornament. This is our drawing. Thank you for watching, guys.